Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low on the application of Calm. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list of apps, you will go to above to this window of Calm. And not here. You will go to Calm app and you can click. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi like this, You will turn off your Wi-Fi and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem.